Perplexity AI Pro or ChatGPT Plus? Which one is actually better? In this video, we are diving deep into how these two powerful AI tools stack up in terms of accuracy, speed, pricing, usability, and overall value. By the end, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money in 2025. Let's get started. Overview. First, a quick overview. ChatGPT Plus is powered by GPT-4 Turbo, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is known for detailed reasoning, including GPT-4, Cloudy, and its own search-enhanced model, giving it the ability to access real-time web data and cite sources. So while ChatGPT Plus is great for deep conversations and tasks, Perplexity shines in real-time, factual accuracy. Pricing and plans. When it comes to pricing, ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month, giving you access to GPT-4 Turbo and priority access even during high traffic. Perplexity Pro also costs around $20 per month, offering GPT-4, Cloudy 3, and live web results. So price-wise, they are neck and neck, but the feature set differs quite a bit. Performance and accuracy. When it comes to answering questions, both are impressive, but in different ways. ChatGPT Plus delivers structured, creative, and context-rich answers. It is great for writing essays, coding, and generating content like YouTube scripts or business plans. Meanwhile, Perplexity AI Pro is laser-focused on research accuracy. It provides answers with citations and real-time sources, similar to a next-gen search engine. If you ask about current events or breaking news, Perplexity wins. But for in-depth reasoning and creative writing, ChatGPT Plus still takes the lead. Speed and interface. In terms of speed, both are fast, but ChatGPT Plus tends to be a bit smoother and more conversational. Perplexity's interface feels minimal and search-oriented, quick answers, citations, and a neat discover mode that summarizes multiple sources. ChatGPT's interface, on the other hand, is built for deeper chats, offering code interpretation, memory in beta, file uploads, and image generation in Plus accounts with GPT-4. So if you want a clean search-like experience, Perplexity wins. But for productivity and creativity, ChatGPT Plus gives you more tools, features, and integrations. Here's where ChatGPT Plus really flexes. You get file uploads, image understanding, and custom GPTs you can build for personal or business use. Plus, it integrates with tools like DALL E3 for image generation and Code Interpreter for data analysis. Perplexity AI Pro, however, focuses on AI-powered search, with citation tracking, follow-up questions, and the ability to choose which model to use. It's fantastic for researchers, students, and journalists who need trustworthy, up-to-date information. In short, ChatGPT Plus, all-purpose assistant, Perplexity AI Pro, intelligent search and research partner. Use case comparison. So which one fits your needs? If you are a writer, developer, or business owner, ChatGPT Plus will help you create code and brainstorm faster. If you are a student, researcher, or fact checker, Perplexity AI Pro is a better fit, thanks to its citation-based answers and browsing capabilities. Both tools are excellent. It really depends on how you use AI. Final verdict. Alright, time for the final verdict. If you want creative, structured, and professional AI output, ChatGPT Plus still holds the crown. But if you want live, factual, and cited information straight from the web, Perplexity AI Pro is the clear winner. For most users, the ideal setup might actually be using both together, Perplexity for research and ChatGPT for creation. And that's it. What do you think? Which AI tool do you prefer, Perplexity AI or ChatGPT Plus? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.